Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to flip the canvas in Krita. Note that this method flips what you see on screen without changing your actual image data. This is useful for checking anatomy, balance, or composition from a mirrored perspective without permanently altering your artwork. To flip the canvas view, simply press the M key on your keyboard. Krita's mirror view feature toggles as a horizontal flip of the canvas. Press M again to go back to the normal view. This flips the display only, not the actual image pixels. Alternatively, you can do the same from the menus. Go to View, Zoom, Rotate, and Mirror, Mirror View, and click it. This performs the same horizontal canvas flip without editing your content. And that's how you flip the canvas in Krita. Thanks for watching.